Hi, my name is Melissa, and I'm going to teach you how to do a press handstand. So in order to be able to do a press handstand, you must be able to do a regular handstand. You must be able to hold it at least 30 seconds around it, let's say. And you must be able to do a forward fold. So if you have those two things, you're ready to start working on doing a press handstand. So we're going to start here on the floor with some strengthening techniques. We're going to start from the forward fold. Make sure you're all warmed up here. From here, take your hands a little bit in front of the hips. Pull the abdomen in and inhale, come up. Hold it about 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Lower down. You can also do this lift with the legs open. So opening the legs, taking the hands inside, and then inhale, coming up. Good. So I would recommend doing about 5 sets of 5, slowly building up to 10 sets of 10, doing it every other day. That way you build strength. Alright, so after that we'll work on the technique. The way I learned how to do a press handstand was I started with a chair. So the idea is that you want to get the hips above your head, and then the legs will come up slowly if you have the strength and the flexibility. So you're going to take your chair, or you can take some yoga blocks, or whatever you have, anything that you have in your house that you can kind of step on. Alright? So from there you can take your chair, place your hands on the floor, take your feet to the chair, look forward, try and walk your toes a little bit further forward until your hips are above your head. And then inhale, slowly coming up. Good. It might take you a few times to get it, so just try, and you might fall, but just make sure you're confident enough in handstand to be able to start trying that, alright? So eventually after that, you'll be able to start trying without the chair, just taking the hands in front of the feet, looking forward, make sure you're breathing, and slowly inhaling, and the legs will come up. Alright, so thank you for watching my video. Namaste.